Abanyabushenye bakoreka rukundo mpango mugenzi Dr. Milton Obote obwarugombuza habera na mushanju bikwezi kwa 5 umwaka gwa 1998 kandi bakamwishongorera cyeshongoro ekiri kumanywa nkanyamurunga. Akena asimire rukundo ejo.
You can have all the guns you want and you still don't have freedom. You have all the guns you want and there's still no peace. Because for me, I cannot be at peace when my people are not at peace.
Akena yorekero kwatwa hwabo buhereza obutari kutambura kurunje mu ihanga.
The main thing about Mulago Hospital, as UPC, it is a painful fact that the hospitals built by UPC have not been maintained. UPC chacha kulugoma kwa raja UPC, gayuka Nyaburuka, gayuka Junda, gayuka Lirigwe.
Enkunzi za UPC babandiza hakaju kaba ka UPC akariyo mu rurembo rwishaka aho bajwekire president wabe Kirunga no kumushitamisa hantebe.
To make a speech for this occasion, you are free to rotate around, you are free to occupy your house.
Basewa na banyola jamba twaba takarijiro mukahujako akomanya ngogo no wa DP ngogo no wa UPC tukabona kwemanya mureko mushategeke ategeka n'abana bitu ategeke n'ebituru byitu
omushobwa ngo muntu waburijo nakaruru kaka konka tarojora inre ahubwo tureba toterirwa mbundu ubwotorirwa mbundu yomana gawe mbunde yabona karuru.
Aba bacumere namango aho baragume bareba umushomankuzi batere ferembe bamuhunje atabajwangamo.
We cannot accept that corruption. Is that corruption which makes the drugs not available in the hospital?
Gasha kwa mayu kwa tuachire.